Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will use doors as an example to guide you step by step on how to add doors and windows models to favorites. Let's try it together. Step 1. Enter the Doors and Windows tool. Enter the Design tools. Select Advanced tool. Doors and Windows to enter the tool. Step 2. Add models to favorites. Here are two ways to add models to favorites. Method 1. Click the door model. Click Collection in the floating toolbar. Method 2. Select the door model in the public catalogue and click the upper left corner star. One-click Add to favorites. Step 3. Add materials to favorites. Here are two ways to add materials to favorites. Method 1. In the style of the parameter panel, select the door material and add to favorites. Method 2. Select the material in the public catalogue. Click the upper left corner star. One-click Add to favorites. Step 4. Favorites category. When you select a model and click Collection in the floating toolbar, you can create folder and customize the name to classify favorites. When you want to view a favorite model, click Personal Catalogue. The overall bar has the collection of doors and windows models. The material bar has the collection of doors and windows materials. You can quickly find the corresponding model or material according to the folder name and use it again. That's all. Thanks for watching.